Multiply 37 by 84 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Put 8 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 3 plus the carried 2 is 14. The first partial product is 148. Now use the tens digit, 8. Start one place to the left. 8 times 7 is 56. Put 6 in this column and carry 5. 8 times 3 plus the carried 5 is 29. The second partial product is 2960. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 4 plus 6 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 9 plus the carried 1 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 2 plus the carried 1 is 3. The product of the whole numbers is 3108, so 37 times 84 is 3108.